Hey guys, so I just got back from the grocery store and me and my sister got dumplings. I think she just opened hers, but yes, let me open mine real quick. Also, it doesn't say RS, so I think it's not a real dumpling, but it's still a squishy. Like, am I right? Am I right? Oh! Alright, we got this dumpling. Okay, it has tape. Isn't it when it has tape, it's like real? I mean, it's like a squishy. If it has tape. It has holes, but you can't see the color. If me and my sister got the same one, I might actually be like really angry because like I love my sister, but I mean, I just want my own things, girl. I just want my own thing. Okay, anyways. Okay. Oh my gosh! Okay, guys, it's definitely fake. Cause look how fake that is. But look, it's glittery inside, and it's like kind of heavy, but it's so good. I don't have a purple one yet. Cause in the other video, I gave that other one to my sister because it like got glitter all over my hands. So it's like kind of the same thing, but it's very like more dumply vibes. I'm definitely keeping these. I love keeping the containers. It's just everything to me. But this, it's so cute. Bye.